Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your meditation mother, coming to you live from Austin, Texas. Well, no wonder with so much craziness going on in the world that we often might lose a little focus. Whether our mind is spinning or we're focusing on the wrong things, I thought today's class would be all about increasing our ability to focus. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So today we're going to be focusing on balancing work. When we're in a state of balance, we can't take a look at anything else around us. We're right in the present moment. We're really focused on how our body feels and where our mind is at in order to stay in these balancing postures. So let's separate our feet from right to left. Get grounded and rooted in your feet. You can even bend the knees, lift the toes up and spread them out nice and wide, and then bring them back down. We're going to start by just doing a simple mountain pose, palms face forward, and we'll start to sweep the arms overhead on an inhale and exhale back down. Let's do that a couple more times. Inhale here and exhale down. One last time here. Inhale and exhale. So we're going to do the same thing with the arms, but we're going to come up on our toes. So inhale, lift the heels, come up on the toes, reach, lift the belly, and then exhale, slowly lower the heels as the arms release down. Good. Do it again. Inhale, arms sweep up, come up onto the toes, lift the heels, and then exhale, release all the way down. All right, how's that for you? Let's try it again. Inhale, arms sweep up. This time, hold it here. Lift your belly up. Notice your feet adjusting, and then open up to the left. So the chest turns to the left, arms open to the left. Keep those heels lifted. Inhale, back to center, heels stay up. Let's try it to the right. Open up to the side. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, release all the way down. Close your eyes and pause for a moment and just notice where your mind is at. From staying focused on those balancing postures, are we in the here and now? Good. Gently open the eyes. Let's take a moment to turn. I'm going to turn sideways. You can stay right where you are. I'm going to have my right foot forward, my left foot back, and I'm going to separate the feet from right to left a little. So my right foot goes a little bit wider, my left foot goes wide. And we're going to stay here for just a few breaths. So come forward in that front leg. Inhale, arms sweep up. And exhale down. Good. Do it again. Inhale, arms sweep up. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Keep the fingertips where they are. Reach the hand right where it is and reach down towards the earth. We're going to start to move our weight forward to our front leg and point the back toe. You can straighten that front leg and then really ground down with your front big toe. Maybe flex that back foot off the mat. Draw your belly in and up. Reach your fingertips down and away. Notice your low belly. Lift it up towards the chest. Your crown of your head rises up. The foot is flexed to lock in your energy. And then you can just play with the angle of your body wherever you are today. Reach those fingertips back. Hips are parallel to the ground. Face is looking down at the earth. Good. Feel your foot adjusting, really tuning in to what you need. And then slowly coming back up, take that foot back. Excellent. Let's turn our toes forward for a minute and we're going to do the opposite side. So this time, left foot forward, right foot back. Make sure your feet are nice and wide. We can bring our hands down to our side, come forward in that front leg. Just a few breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Just moving and circulating energy. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, just noticing your life force moving. Inhale and exhale. Release the hands. Start to radiate those fingers down towards the earth. We'll start to straighten the front leg, come up on our back toes, And then lift your low belly and chest up. Maybe flex that back foot off the mat. Turn your toe so that your right hip is down and parallel towards the earth. And you can stay here, reaching those fingertips in the opposite way of the crown of the head, or start to angle your body. Look down at the earth. Reach your fingertips back. Look down at the earth. Good, reach. Flex that back foot to any angle that you feel good about today. And then slowly returning back up and plant that back foot. Excellent. Turn the toes to face forward. Bring your feet together for a moment. Close the eyes and notice where your attention is. Is it here on your mat? That's the excellent thing about balancing postures. It brings us to the here and now. So let's bring our hands to our hips. We'll separate the feet out from right to left. And we're going to shift our weight over to the right foot. You can point the left toes for a minute. And then we're going to watch that right hip. So instead of it going out, and we're going to bring it back underneath us so that it's nice and aligned with our body. Lift your belly up, and we're going to bring our left knee up towards the belly. Flex the foot. Round down with your big toe on the right foot. Good. Arms come out to the side. You can open up the palms, reach those fingertips, and then maybe turn your chest towards your thigh. Good. Woo, I'm falling out. Just get right back in. It's all about just having fun. No judgment. And then come back to center. Maybe separating that foot out to the side a little bit. Good. You can bring the foot to your inner thigh or inner shin and bring your hands to heart center. Press the palms towards each other into tree pose. And then if you'd like, arms are up towards the sky or wherever you want them to be today. Take a nice inhale here, everything rising up and towards the center. And then bring the hands back to center, slowly lower all the way down. Shake it out. Excellent job. Let's try the other side. So separating the feet from right to left, hands on the hips, really grounding down with your feet. Shift your weight over to the left foot this time. Good. And then from here, so watch that hip, bring it underneath you, and then take your right knee up. Lift your low belly. Arms come out to the side, palms face forward. And let's turn the chest towards the thigh. Ground down with your big toe, lift your belly in and up. And slowly coming back to center. Maybe your foot extends out to the side. And then you can plant your foot to your inner shin or inner thigh. Woo! Uh-oh, uh-oh, recovery. All right, bring the hands to heart center. There we go. And then if you'd like, arms up towards the sky. Press the thigh into the foot presses back into the thigh. One more deep breath here. Bring the hands back through heart center and slowly lower down. Gently close the eyes and pause for a moment, and again, reflect on where your mind is at, how your body feels. And we'll gently open the eyes, release the hands. We're going to take it all the way down to the ground. You can come to a comfortable seat, excuse me, whatever that is for you. Sit up nice and tall, and we're just going to close the eyes and take a moment to meditate on bringing our attention, our awareness, and our focus to different parts of the body, and just noticing how we can become more focused and aware when we try. Gently close the eyes and start to invite the breath into the body through the nose, bringing your awareness to that gentle sensation right at the tip of the nose, feeling the air entering and leaving. And then bringing your attention to the outer edges of your lips. And just noticing what that feels like. Direct your breath into your throat. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Inhale, expand into that space. Noticing your low belly. Bring awareness to that area. Your legs, feeling the sensation of the legs connecting with the earth. Your hands and arms softening. Bringing awareness to the left shoulder. And now bring your awareness to the right shoulder. Bring your awareness right to the center of your being, right at the heart center. And just noticing the rise and fall of the chest. Bringing your focus on the rhythm of your heart. And bringing your inner gaze gently up towards your third eye. Internal focus. Very gently looking up towards the third eye with eyes closed. And just observing where your mind is at, where your body is at in this space. And then relaxing your concentration. We'll bring the hands to heart center. Take a moment bowing the mind to the heart and thank yourself for showing up and doing this practice of increasing focus. Just a few minutes a day, working with balance and moving awareness throughout the body to enhance our internal and external focus. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mother. And if you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.